Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to accept Venmo payments in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone splitting dinner bills with friends, Venmo has become an essential tool for quick and secure transactions. With updates in 2025, like enhanced security features and easier business integrations, it's easier than ever to get started. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to download the Venmo app from your phone's app store. Once it's installed, sign up for an account using your email, phone number, or even link it to your existing social media. Don't skip the verification step. Venmo will ask you to confirm your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. This is crucial for security, especially with the 2025 updates that include biometric verification options. Next, link your bank account or debit card. Go to the Settings menu, select Payment Methods, and follow the prompts to add your details. Venmo makes this seamless, but remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. If you're accepting payments for a business, enable the Business Profile feature. It's a 2025 edition that allows for better transaction tracking and tax reporting. Now, to actually accept a payment, you have a few options. You can generate a payment request link and share it via text, email, or social media. Or, use the in-app QR code scanner for in-person transactions, which is faster and more secure thanks to the latest updates. Once the payment comes in, Venmo notifies you instantly, and you can transfer funds to your bank account with just a few taps. One quick tip. Always review your transaction history and enable two-factor authentication to protect yourself from scams. Venmo's 2025 features include advanced fraud detection, so keep an eye out for those. There you have it. Accepting Venmo payments is straightforward and empowers you to handle money on the go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.